Welcome to 18523 Orchard Trail in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044. This beautiful one-level townhome was built in 1998. It's off of 185th Street across from the Lakeville Target. You're only minutes to Interstate 35, so you can get to downtown Minneapolis or St. Paul in less than 25 minutes. Two-car attached garage, asphalt driveway. This is an end unit, so you can see there's a lot of wooded area here around the perimeter, so you get a lot of privacy, but you're also extremely close, and you could walk to Caribou Coffee. There are several restaurants, Target, a couple of banks. There are also medical facilities nearby as well for doctors, dentists, optometrists, whatever you might need. I'm going to take you around the side and the back to just show you how private this area is. There is a patio as well as a deck that has the maintenance-free material on it, so you can enjoy quiet afternoons and mornings in the backyard. You don't see many neighbors, and there's not a lot of road noise. As you can see, it's very private, and nothing else is going to be built in this area. I love the convenience. I don't want to forget to mention too that there is an awning that will roll out over the top of the deck if you want to utilize that. It's all electronic, so it's very easy to use. Let's take you inside. Again, this was built in 1998. It has over 2,700 finished square feet with all living on one level, plus you get the bonus of the lower level finished and a lot of storage space, which I'll show you. As you first enter the home, you can see it's a very nice open floor plan. Informal dining room leads into the living room. You have some great architectural stuff going on in the ceiling to kind of divide up the areas, but also not take away the open feel of the floor plan. As we go into the kitchen, it has beautiful hardwood floors, granite countertops, all white woodwork, all white trim and doors throughout the entire house. Premier lighting. You've got the center island, beautiful hardwood floors, and then off to the right is a full private laundry room that also includes a sink, and there's also storage on the left, and you could even probably put up some more space if you wanted to expand for drying clothes, if you want to hang them in here. So everything is right here where you need, all living on one level. So 2 of the 3 bedrooms are on the main, and the third is lower. I'll show you that as well. As you can see, the kitchen is bright and open. There's a pantry for storage, so there's plenty of room for pots and pans and food and anything you could want if you like to cook at home. All the doors work great. Everything's been cared for, non-smoker. Then this is the garage, which is again 2-car attached, and it has the epoxy floors, and as you can see, it's completely finished inside, so it keeps the cars warmer in the winter. There is also storage here in front of this car, so there's some shelving as well, but there's a ton of storage downstairs that I'm going to show you. This also has a garage door opener, taking you into the main area of the house past the entryway. Again, here's the informal dining room and the living room. Lots of extra lighting. There is a skylight in the living room with a vaulted ceiling. There's also a skylight in the full bathroom here. So this is the second bedroom, so second of 3. 1 and 2 are on the main level, third one's lower. Windows were replaced, I think, in 2016. Very low maintenance. The association is wonderful. They take care of everything, and you never have to worry. They do all the snow and lawn care, all the maintenance. This is a full bath, granite countertops, again, all white woodwork. This one has a jacuzzi tub in it as well. And the front bedroom would make a great home office or just a guest room if you have people that are coming from out of town that would like to stay with you. 6-panel doors, again white woodworking, over 2,700 finished square feet, built in 1998. There's the skylight with the vaulted ceiling, so you get natural light throughout the day, and a gas fireplace for those cold winter nights. And here's another shot from the sunroom, or the entrance to the sunroom, which has a pair of French doors to close that off if you want some more privacy. The primary suite is on the back side of the unit here. As you can see, it's huge. It's 16 by 14. There is a walk-in closet and a 3/4 private bath. Both of the bathrooms have been updated, so you get the latest tile and look to it. They're very lovely, all professionally done. Glass doors. I love that architectural vanity. Backsplash, walk-in shower with a bench, and then there's also that built-in for shampoo and soap, which is really nice. And again, all of this was professionally done, so it was perfectly executed. It's not a weekend warrior who decided to put this together. Everything is of quality in this townhome. All of the appliances stay with the house, including the washer and dryer. I'm going to take you back out to the living room because I want to show you the sunroom, which again, like I said, is divided off with French doors, and a deck. The deck is low maintenance or maintenance free footing and railing, so there's nothing to do, and the association pretty much takes care of everything else. But this could be a great sitting room. You can close it off with the French doors. You could turn it into a TV room or a library, whatever you would like to utilize it for. Again, maintenance-free decking. It is 16 by 10. The patio below it for the walkout is the same size, 16 by 10. You could, if you wanted to, screen that in as well for those summer nights. You have lots of options and choices here. Again, very private and quiet area, all living on one level. Let's go downstairs. The lower level is a walkout. But one of the interesting things about this house is notice the walls. This is soundproofed. So if you are someone who loves to play your video games really loud, or you're a musician, or you have a hobby that makes a lot of noise, it's so insulated down here you can't hear it upstairs. Big windows give you lots of natural light throughout the day, so it doesn't feel like a basement, it's just another level to the home. The massive amount of storage is really impressive here. Now you could add another bathroom. You could also put another office space or exercise room or anything you want in this space and still have plenty left over for storage. So you don't have to worry if you're one of those people who's downsizing and you're not sure what to get rid of yet. There's plenty of space for you to bring everything over and piece through it a little bit at a time and not feel rushed in making those decisions. Mechanicals are all in excellent condition. The house is move-in ready with a flexible closing. It's poured walls, great insulation, extremely well built. They have a lot of insulation between the two units so you don't hear your neighbor. I'd like to take you out here and show you the patio, but before I do, this is the third bedroom. The third bedroom is also insulated that way, so if you are someone who wanted to record music or whatever, you have some options here. It's beautifully done. The carpet's all in excellent condition. They all have good sized closets. It's just a great space, or it makes a wonderful guest room if you have someone coming from out of town or wants to stay with you. Lastly, here's the patio, which is right below the deck. You could, if you wanted to, screen this in and have a screened-in patio. The house is move-in ready and ready to go, so don't miss out on this. Come take a look. The location, the quality, it's all there and amazing. You won't regret seeing it.